Hi all. So in this video we're going to see some beautiful glass tissue worked unstitched salwar suits. So all these have beautiful embroidery for the entire suit. So as you can see, we have some neckline work done, and at the bottom of the suit also the work is done in glass beads and thread as well. And for the sleeve also, it's completely worked. So we've not done any particular pattern. Whatever comes along with the suit, the same neckline, the same sleeve pattern, we've not added any pattern. And it has a beautiful chiffon dupatta like this. And even the dupatta has embroidery on the borders, and for the entire dupatta there are booties as well. So in this we have beautiful shades like the ones you're seeing, beautiful lavender, mustard, green, beautiful metallic shades. And I'll just show you two colors in each suit just to show you how the pattern and the suit looks in different colors. So the same as I'm wearing, we have beautiful colors. This one is a very beautiful shade of green, or unlike the usual shades which we get. So the same pattern like the one I'm wearing, it has a beautiful neckline, and as you can see there is the entire suit is fully worked with glass beads, thread and everything. It's a beautiful work, very unique pattern. And for the sleeve again, we have work like this. So same like what I'm wearing. And back of the suit is fully plain but in the same fabric. So this is a beautiful shade of green. It comes with a plain santoon pant. It comes with a plain santoon pant and the same type of dupatta like the one I'm wearing. I'll just show you one more color in this for an idea. So this is a beautiful mustard shade. Same work, everything is same. As you can see, it's a beautiful one. And this is a plain santoon pant. And again, the same type of dupatta. All these suits are priced at rupees 1970. So the next one which I'm going to show you is of different pattern, but the same fabric, same type of embroidery. Only the embroidery motifs and patterns are different. So in the same like what I'm wearing, it's the same color, but only the pattern is different. It's the same color if you see. It's a beautiful flamingo shade, but the work on the neck part comes like this. Again with glass beads, thread work and all that, but only the patterns and motifs vary. And this is how the end of the top comes. The one I'm wearing has a beautiful bird-like embroidery at the end of the top, but here it has a normal border type, and this is a sleeve work. It has a very beautiful, elegant booty type with border sleeve work. And again, this comes with a plain santoon pant, beautiful color. Again, if you want, you can use it for the pant or for the lining for the top. And this is a beautiful dupatta which comes along with this, a scallop kind of a border. It's a very beautiful dupatta. As you can see, the scallop to work at the edges with embroidery and booties all over the dupatta. Very soft dupatta. And another color option. It's a beautiful shade of teal, a lovely shade. And again, the same embroidery type. It has work for sleeve and all that. And it comes with a plain santoon pant like this and a beautiful dupatta like the work I showed you in the previous one. Lovely color. All these colors, the colors which come in these suits are beautiful metallic shades because of the gold mix on the tissue. All these beautiful suits are priced at rupees 1975. So to purchase these suits, you can contact us on WhatsApp. The numbers are given in the description below. Also, you can place your orders on our website, messma.com, or you can directly drop into our store which is located in Ananagar, Chennai. Thank you so much for watching.